Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another Python video. In this video we're going to be going over return statements in Python. So return statements are functions send Python values or objects back to the caller, and these values slash objects are known as the function's return value. So you'll understand that better with an example. So we have an example here, and it's an example that's going to be returning a product of a multiplication equation. So define multiply, and then you have number 1 and number 2 as the parameters, and then you want to return number 1 times number 2, and we want to say x is equal to, and then you call the function, which is multiply, and you can choose any number, say 5 and 5. So 5 times 5, which equals 25, and we want to print x, and then you run it and you get 25, and you can change that of course to anything, and you run it again, you get 50. So this is a function that multiplies number 1 and number 2 and returns it, and here we have x, which is a variable, and we're storing whatever it returns into this variable, and then we're printing the variable, and that's how you get the answer here. And these are known as arguments, these are known as parameters, because they're within the function, and the arguments are information that is entered into the function. It's sent to the function to be placed within the parameters. So 5 is in number 1 and 10 is in number 2. So that's it for this small and short Python video. If you liked this video or learned something new, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future Python videos.